Hello everyone, I'll be explaining branch and bound method of problem solving in this video. This method is similar to backtracking in the sense that it also uses state space tree for solving the problem. Branch and bound is used for solving optimization problem, under that minimization problem. Now it can be represented in solved in three different ways. The first one is called the FIFO branch and bound, second is called the LIFO branch and bound, and the third one LC search or least cost search branch and bound method. Now we'll see one by one. First one is a FIFO branch and bound. In order to explain this, we will use a job sequencing problem with deadline. So we have a set of jobs here, J1, J2, J3. We have to assign the order of or the sequencing of these jobs has to be represented. So let us start with the first node. In order to explore the next node, I will assign with job 1. Then I'll assign with job 2 and then job 3. Now if you notice this, we said it is similar to backtracking, but if you notice this, we can see that in backtracking, when we assign first job and the next assignment is from this job, that is this node. First, once this node is done, then we move forward with this node, that is we are moving in a depth wise manner. So it is a depth first search, but in branch and bound we are moving across breadth, that is first J1, then J2 here and J3 here. Now we will see the possibilities from node 2. We will explore to the next node, that is once job J1 is assigned, next job that is assigned is J2, and there is another option. If J1 is assigned, we can also assign J3. With J2 we have only one option because we have already ignored J1. We have assigned J2 and then we have J3. With J3 we don't have anything forward because we have only 3 jobs here. J1 and J2 are ignored, J3 is assigned, and then we don't have any more jobs. Now we'll come back to this particular node, that is 5, and we will assign J3 there. So we have a new node that is explored, that is node number 8. After this we don't have any more job to be assigned. After this we don't have any more job to be assigned. So if you see this, we are using a queue data structure here. That is we are inserting 2, 3, 4 into the queue, and the next node that is explored is first in first out. Whatever was the first node in, that is the first node out for remaining exploration. So once 2, 3, 4 is done, we are popping out 2 and we are assigning the remaining jobs to the node 2, or the nodes are explored from 2. Then we are popping out or removing 3 and the node is explored to 7. Similarly 4, since there is no job that can be assigned, it is empty. After that, whichever was the first in was 5, we are exploring to 8. So this is FIFO branch and bound. Now we will see what is LIFO branch and bound. In this case, the first job is assigned. As soon as you assign the first job, the new node is pushed onto the stack. Then we are assigning job 2, 3 is pushed to the stack. Each time top is getting incremented, and 4, the new node 4 is pushed to the stack. So in this stage we have 2, 3, 4 being pushed to the stack. Now from where we will start the next exploration? We should start the next, in FIFO case we started the next exploration from 2 because the element that was first went inside was 2. So first in first out, the one which was first in we are popping out first. But in this case 2, 3, 4 are top because it is stack. Following the stack method, top is pointing to 4, the element 4. So the one which is to be popped out is 4. So 4 is getting popped out, 3 and 2 remains in the stack. Now if you see from 4, we don't have any job to be assigned because J1 and J2 we are ignoring and we are assigning J3. There is no job to be assigned. So we'll pop out the next element, that is 3. When we pop out 3, only 2 remains in the stack, that is here. Now you have one option here with 3. We can assign job 3 here. So there is a new node that is explored. Now we will pop out this node, that is we'll pop out 7, and then we don't have any node that can be assigned here. So we will pop out 2 and the new node that can be explored is 5 and then 6. So 5 and 6 is popped onto the stack, and then we will pop out the topmost element, that is 6, but there is no job that is can be assigned. We'll pop out 5. The new job that can be assigned is J3. So this is LIFO branch and bound, wherein we are using the stack data structure. Next one is the least cost search or LC search branch and bound. LC search branch and bound is a method where we are finding the least cost of, we are assigning a cost to every node and we are finding the minimum cost. Now here in this case, I have arbitrarily applied infinity here because I don't know what is the cost of this node. And then we have nodes here 2, 4, 7. At each stage, we will explore that node which has the minimum cost. In this case, the cost is given in red color. We have 2, 4 and 7. The minimum cost is 2. So the next nodes are explored. The weight associated with this 10, 4. 10 and 4. The minimum cost is 4, but we don't have any nodes that can be explored from here. So we are going with 10 and the new node explored is 8 with J3. This is about least cost search and about branch and bound method of problem solving. That's all for this session. Thank you.